I've just got my hands on the Mavic 4 Pro Flymore, Flymore bundle, and never once, whenever I started doing what I'm doing, did I ever think I'd be sitting here ordering a new drone as it's released, especially like this. Yeah, this is a bit of a humbling moment for me because I've always had to wait until it comes in sale, or I've always had to wait until it's down in price, or I don't know, something, or I've worked hard for it, and I've worked really off my ass to get this and buy this, and yeah, it's one of those little things for me where I sort of like, yeah, I started with a hand-me-down camera from my dad, and that developed into what I have now. I still work full-time, this is my hobby, and to be sitting here with arguably one of the best drones in the market on release week or 2 days into the release, yeah, I really, yeah. Anybody out there who's starting into doing this here kind of work, you know, anything's possible. For some of the stuff that's been done recently that obviously I can't talk about. The effort you put into this is the effort you get back out of it, and for some of the things going on at the minute and some of the things that's happening for me, I wouldn't be in this position unless it was for a lot of hard work. I say a hand-me-down camera from my father. Let me see, we're going back the guts of 13 years ago, and saving up every penny, saving up every bit I had, a bit of an upgrade, and stuff like that there to be sitting with this in front of me, and I'm kind of lost for words a wee bit with this tonight, and you know, to be able to just sit and go, this is mine, I've worked for this, you know, this is what all these late nights, early mornings have been for, and I'm going to get this set up now. I'm going to get out, do a wee bit of filming with it, hopefully over the weekend if all things work my way, and just simply, yeah, I don't know what to say, I don't know what to do. It's just like, where do you start first with all this kit, and even the new box smell. So there it is, the Mavic 4 Pro. Yeah, this is one of those defining moments. So anybody who's doing what I do, anybody who's trying to start, anybody who's trying to learn how to do all this, this is the moment that you probably savor the most. Do what you do. Thank you.